Crunchy and delicious samosa recipe. Healthy food recipes with friendly chef's kitchen. Like, subscribe, and share my video. Let us prepare the dough mixture for samosa. Take a mixing bowl and add 250 grams of maida flour. Add 1 spoon of ajwain seed. Add 1 spoon of kalonji seeds. Add 1 spoon of table salt. Add 4 spoons of cooking oil. Mix well. The powder should become like this. Add water, little by little, and mix well. This is how the dough mixture should look like. Apply 1 spoon of cooking oil to the dough and mix well. Keep the dough mixture aside for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the stuffing for samosa. Chop small slices of ginger and green chili. Boil 5 potatoes. Press the potatoes. Add 50 ml of cooking oil to a pan. Add 1 spoon of jeera seeds. Add 2 spoons of fennel seeds. Add 1 spoon of coriander seeds. Add ginger and green chili slices. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder. Add half spoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 spoon of garam masala. Add peanut. Add potato to the masala mixture. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of chaat masala. Add 1 spoon of table salt. Mix everything well. Samosa stuffing is ready now. Now let us prepare the samosa for oil frying. Take the dough which was kept aside. Make a small cut from the dough and press it. Cut in half. Apply water at the corner. And fold like this. You should get a cone shape. Gently press at the corner so there is no gap in between. Take 1 spoon of prepared stuffing and add inside the cone. Now seal the cone, so there should be no opening. Add keep aside and make more like this. The samosa is ready for oil fry. Now let's prepare the samosa. Add 100 ml or more of cooking oil for fry. Gently drop the prepared samosa in the hot cooking oil. Move the samosa so it should not stick to the cooking pan. Delicious samosa is ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.